Hi guys, so today I wanted to do a review. I'm always dropping something. I want to do a review of the Paula's Choice 5% Benzoyl Peroxide. This retails for $13.15 with 2.25 fluid ounces of product. Okay, yes, let's talk about packaging. It comes in a standard squeezy tube packaging with an aqua color with white and gray writing on the packaging. It also comes with this silver thing on it to protect the product from coming out. I wouldn't suggest taking all of this off, because if you do, all the benzoyl peroxide is going to run out and it's going to be all over the cap and all over the tube, and you don't want to waste your money and you don't want to waste your products when you buy them. So that's how I would suggest using it. The packaging get a 4 out of 5 stars for me, just because of how messy you get. That's why it's not a 5 out of 5 stars. But the formula is a lightweight white formula, and it dries matte, and it also is very water based, so that's why it's very runny. I love this formula because you can use this underneath your foundation and it doesn't have that tacky feeling that most benzoyl peroxide have. And also, this benzoyl peroxide being more water based is better for your skin than the more creamier, like oilier textured benzoyl peroxide, because I've had problems with more creamier benzoyl peroxide clogging my pores and making me break out. So why am I using it? Because if it's clogging my pores and making my breakout. So this is a great formula. I absolutely love this formula. I would suggest using this if you have acne prone skin, sensitive skin like I do, or if you get the occasional breakouts that you just want to get rid of as soon as possible. This is a great product for you because it's so strong, and the formula is very potent, so you won't need to use a lot of this. I would suggest using a dime size amount all over your face. And also, if you use too much of this product, it will dry your face out, because it is 5% benzoyl peroxide and the formula is amazing, so it's definitely gonna dry your face out. If you're more on the acne prone sensitive skin type, I would suggest using this both night and day right after your cleansing and toning step, because the benzoyl peroxide will soak into your skin better, and it doesn't have to fight through other skincare products to get to your skin and your pores to help clean out those pores and make sure you don't have any future breakouts. So that's how I would suggest using this product. I absolutely love this product, and if you have sensitive skin or just want a new benzoyl peroxide in your life, this is a great product, and the price point is amazing. The product get a 5 out of 5 stars for me, and I love all of Paula's Choice product. My skin has been getting better because of her products and my derma roller, and I'm rambling now, so get it in your life. If you need a new benzoyl peroxide, get it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl Shakira, because you know I'm about that skincare life, and to keep updated with me and see what's going on. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Deuce.